Hello everyone, this video is all about multitask assignees. So the functionality of this module is we can assign multiple employees to the single project, and also we can add and replace the employees from the same project. So let's see how this module will work. So we go into the project. Under the project, here we have different types of project, and we go into the any one project and we go into the list view over here. And here you can see we have different types of project. Let's suppose if I want to change, right now the assignee is Michelle admin for all the project. Let's suppose if I want to add few more assignees in the project for the multiple projects at the same time. I will just click on the multiple projects, whichever the project I want to change. And here you can see in one assignees, here is the mark, and rest I have selected of the Michelle. So now let's see how it works. We go into the action button, and over here action we have mass update task assignee. We click on that and we will enable this update assignees button, and here we will get two field. One is updated via we want to add or replace. Right now we are adding the assignees, and we will add the assignees Joy, Mark, and Michelle, and the mark. Now we click on the update, and here you can see all the three are added as assignees for the project. And now let's suppose I want to replace. Let's suppose in the same I want to replace with any of them. So I select the project again. I go into the action mass update task. I enable this, and here I will choose the option of replace, and I want to replace this with Joel Wills. So I will click on update, and here you can see all the selected are updated by Joel Wills. And now let's suppose if you want to change any single project. So I go into the any single project. Let's suppose I go into the in the lunchroom kitchen. Here again we have smart action button. We click on that, and here we have mass task updates. We click on the update assignees we want to add, and we will attach the name whichever we want to add. Mark is already added. Let's suppose I want to add Michelle over here, so I will update it, and here you can see Michelle is added. And same we can do for the replacement of the assignees. We choose the replace option over here. We choose only, like, let's suppose I want to add only Michelle over here and want to replace every assignees by the Michelle. I will assign Michelle, and we will update. And here you can see Michelle is updated, and here you can see the messages over here with the update. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.